Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is how I made the lip balms from the kit. I think both kits must be from the same place. I got them off my sister for Christmas. So you get a little pot, you get the lip balm base, you get a cherry flavor and a strawberry flavor. I like both of the smell of them, so I didn't mind using whichever. Got an empty container, and then you had the lip base, and then there was the instructions and a mixing spoon. I think this is a really cute and basic kind of kit to do with like a kid, but I'm not a kid and I love doing it. I love kind of making things and repurposing things. A cup of tea. And you also see how I repurposed an old lip balm case that I noticed I had. Anyway, so you want to start off, you need a bowl with some water, warm water, and then you need a smaller bowl or a cup to put into it. So I have these little ramekins, so I put some of the lip balm base in with some of the flavor, and I just put it in the bowl. Oh, this is the one I repurposed, so I just cleaned it out. There was a little bit of old lip balm. Can't even remember what brand it was. The tag was gone off as I was cleaning it. And yeah, so I poured it in to see how it would turn out, and stay tuned to find out how it turned out at the end of the video. So I poured some of it in, or like scooped it out, and it was kind of lumpy. That's the only way I can explain it. It was like kind of like lumpy Vaseline, as if it wasn't fully melted down. So I added it to the little ramekin with some flavor, and then I put it in the bowl of water, and I guess that warmed it up. I can't remember exactly how many drops it said, but I just added in loads till I could smell it. In hindsight, I kind of wish I added in more, but I still have some left if I want to do this again with like a bit of Vaseline. Sorry if you can hear Pringles in the background. She's having a bit of a moody day barking. But anyways, I mix this in hot water for give or take like 5 minutes. They said not to microwave and to ask an adult for the water. So I boiled the kettle and just used that. And then I poured it in. And you see at the end of the video, it turned out really good. And I love the way it turned out. And this was just kind of like, see if it works or not. Because I've made videos on making my own like lip balms, like repurposing like old lipsticks and Vaselines and stuff with like old makeup tubes. So then I went in and I poured the rest of this into a container, because I was like, it's meant to be in the container and just in case it doesn't work. So then I used the rest of the balm and then the cherry flavor in it just to mix it all together and use up the rest of it. So the cherry mixed in. This one came out slightly more watery, as you can tell. I think I might have added in too much cherry, but it did say the more flavor, the more cherryness you have, or the more liquidy. And yes, this way it turned out, and the next clip is what I think about them. So I've had them in the fridge for like 2 days. Also organized my fridge a little the other day, and I think it looks really good. So these are all the flavors I made, the cherry and the strawberry. But this one I'm really excited for, to see if it refilled it. So I'm going to turn the camera around and try it on my lips. Ooh, it worked, I think. I think there's a hair on the side. It's probably from me. I'm not blaming the kit. Okay. It melts really quick. So I think for this kind of tube, if you had it even in your bag in the winter, it would really hurt, or really melt. No mustache coming in. It does feel super hydrating and smooth on the lips. So I definitely will give these a go. I'm gonna open and see. One of them, I remember the cherry had like little circles in it from the first video. I presume these are like basically like a Vaseline kind of mixture. And it does say that if you get any irritations, to stop using it. But again, I think I'd get this one again, because I definitely use that quicker than I'd use the other ones. So I tend to buy my bath salts and bath bombs in like bulk. But yeah, it's a win for me. I love this. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And I'll see you in my next video. We'll be back to some makeup and hair tutorials. I just wanted to use these because I thought it'd be fun. Thank you.